Welcome. If you're tired of getting birthday notifications on your Facebook page and want to turn them off with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable birthday notifications for your Facebook page on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the page you want to manage. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Now that you're on your page, look for the menu on the left or at the top, depending on your layout. Find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will open another menu. Here, you'll want to select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to see all the different types of notifications your page can receive. Scroll through the notification settings until you find the Birthdays option. Click on Birthdays to open the detailed settings. Here's where you can finally disable those birthday notifications. You'll see a toggle or checkbox labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply switch this off or uncheck the box. And that's it. You've successfully disabled birthday notifications for your Facebook page. From now on, you won't receive any more alerts about birthdays on your page, letting you focus on what matters most. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these steps again and re-enable the option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.